Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a water kettle to repair. Let's see how to fix it. At first, if you have this jug, this jug you turn it on, yeah, turn it on, then neutral and live anywhere. Neutral and live, you touch it and see resistance. Yeah, you should see resistance. If you see resistance is there, so that means your our heating element is okay. Yeah, there is a resistance, so our heating element is okay, but you have to turn it on. If off, then we should not see any resistance, no resistance. Then turn it on again, then see. Yeah, so you have resistance. So if you have resistance, that means our jug is okay. Okay, so maybe its problem is here. Yeah, if there is no power, then you turn it like this. By see, there is 3 contact. Yeah, we can clean it. Yeah, contract. So this contract also okay. Yeah, so I hope our problem is here. Can you see it's burned? Yeah, it's burned, so we have to change it. We change it. I have changed it. Let's test it. I put the water, turn it on. Yeah, alhamdulillah, we have light. Yeah, water is hot. Turn off. See, water is hot. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.